favorite e-bike is going on sale. The company that makes the e-bike that I ride the most and my favorite e-bike is Himiway. And my favorite e-bike is the Himiway Cruiser. So apparently this company is going to have a Black Friday sale on these e-bikes. But before we talk about that sale, let me tell you all about why I like this e-bike so much. So the first reason why I like this e-bike is because it is an all-terrain e-bike. So on my bike ride, and sometimes when I take it on my commutes, there are often times where I have to ride in the grass. I might have to go up a hill. I might have to ride on gravel to avoid people who are on my commute or on the bike trail at that time. And so this bike handles hills and gravel and off-terrain surfaces really, really well. And I think that's because of the size of the tires and the fact that you can adjust the suspension in the front of the bike here. The second reason why I like this bike so much is because I like speed and power. This is the fastest e-bike that I own. I think it's advertised to go 28 miles per hour, but I've hit 30 miles per hour before. And I know it's just a bicycle that you pedal, but I like to go fast, you know what I mean? I just enjoy it. And sometimes I need to get from point A to point B pretty fast, but for the most part I just like to go fast. So that's another reason why I like this bike, because it's so fast and powerful. Now the third reason why I like this bike so much is when I'm riding this bike, I never have to worry about trying to stop and find an outlet to charge my bike. I mean, at 60 miles per charge, like I've never felt like I was not gonna make it back from a long bike ride or from a long commute. I never felt like I had to charge the battery when I've been out and about in this e-bike. So I like the fact that I can go on long commutes and I can go on long bike rides with this bike. And I like the overall just comfort of the bike. Like, even though it is a fast, powerful bike, you know, they really tried to make sure that you felt comfortable riding the bike. And this bike does have bells and whistles, you know. You have an LCD display. You can charge your phone while you're riding. You know, it has headlights and rear lights, twist throttle. So all of these things combined is what makes this bike my favorite e-bike. They're going on sale, so they're having a Black Friday sale. So all of their products, all of their bikes, and I think they currently have 3 different bikes. They have this Himiway Cruiser, my favorite bike. They have a step through, and they have another bike that's kind of like a moped. I mean, seriously, the way that the bike is set up and the way the seat is set up, it's almost like a moped. But so on Black Friday, which I believe this year is November 26th, all of their bikes will be $200 off. Now, Himiway also had another announcement for me, but you got to come close so I can tell you. They're releasing a new e-bike. So I don't have a whole lot of specifications for this new e-bike that they're releasing on the 24th of this month, November. But they did say this new e-bike is going to be able to go 80 miles per charge.
What?
They also said the wiring of this new bike is going to all be built in. It's going to be internal, so you won't be able to see any wires. And they also said it's going to have super suspension.
What?
I'm assuming that means it's going to have suspension on the front and suspension in the rear. I love suspension on bikes. And it sounds like it might be an all-terrain e-bike because they also said it's going to be a wider frame. So that's all I really have regarding the new e-bike that they're going to release on the 24th. But I mean, I'm pretty excited about it. I really like the company. I really like the website. I like how they treat their customers. So comment below, tell me what y'all think of this discount Black Friday deal. Also tell me if you're excited that this company is releasing a new e-bike. Also comment below if there are any other e-bikes that you want me to review. Comment below. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.